Danny's first try at the 50 cal flintlock.
When we cock this all the way back and set this trigger, it'll be ready to go. All the way back. Okay, it's like a hair trigger. Now it's ready to fire. This is your fire trigger.
Okay.
It's all ready to go now.
Hold on to it a minute.
It didn't go.
Yeah, you just gotta hold on to it. This is the fun part of muzzleloader hunting.
All right.
There it is. Woo!
Got it right in the belly.
Nice.
All right, somebody take this. This is heavy.
Chloe's up there.
Chloe doesn't want to do it.
You gotta do it for the channel, Chloe.
Yes, here.
Yep, we're all good.
You did it.
What do you think of that?
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
I told you. Yeah.